In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add link in Confluence page. Adding a clear, clickable link inside your content makes it easier for teammates to jump to supporting docs, tickets, and resources without hunting around. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few simple tips so your links look clean and work reliably. Start by opening your Confluence page. This can be an existing page you want to update or a new page you are drafting. Once the editor is open, place your cursor in the body area and type the text you want to use. Think about a short descriptive phrase, something that tells people where the link will take them. For example, you might write a sentence and choose just a few words within it to turn into a link. Next, highlight that specific text. Click and drag to select only the words you want to be clickable. With the text highlighted, add the link. The quickest way is to press Ctrl-K on your keyboard. You can also click the link icon, which looks like a small chain link, in the editor toolbar at the top of the page. Either action opens the link dialog. In the dialog, type or paste your link into the field provided. Use the full URL so it's unambiguous, and make sure there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you've copied a link from your browser, a quick paste is all you need when the text and the link look right. Click Insert. You'll see your selected words now appear as a hyperlink inside the editor. Confluence may also recognize links to other pages in your workspace and show suggestions as you type. That's normal and can help you confirm you've got the right destination. Using meaningful link text instead of pasting the raw URL keeps your page readable and improves accessibility for screen reader users. Before you leave the page, make sure to click Publish to save your changes. Publishing makes the link visible to everyone who can view the page, and it keeps your edits from getting lost. If you are not ready to share the page yet, you can continue editing. But remember that your teammates won't see the new link until you publish. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.